everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. I am so glad that you are joining me. This is my first video after vacation and I came back to a couple packages. I have a couple more coming and I just wanted to do some unboxings with you. So there will be a vacation update video coming up. You'll just have to wait and see. If you're watching this right away, it will be shortly in the next day or two. So the story behind this is our dog sitter texted us and said, hey, you've got some packages. And I'm very curious because one looks like a stuffed banana. So she was very curious, but on the packaging, it says somewhere, it says diamond painting right there. I lost my Sharpie, so I covered my address with tape because both sides have my address on it, and I wanted to be able to show you this unboxing. Now this is the first time, I believe, I could be wrong, but I'm not going to watch all 100 videos before this, but I think this is the first time I've received a package where it wasn't in a bag or a box. So I'm going to claim and copyright stuffed banana packaging, okay? So I'm going to gently see if I can find a spot here. Now, from what I've seen with other unboxings or other banana peeling, see, it fits. These actually turn out quite well. So we will see. And I'm not quite sure which one this is, so I have several of my review sheets over here that I can grab the one that it is. The one thing about the stuffed banana packaging is you have to be careful when you open it that you don't cut the actual canvas or cut the drill bags. So as you can see, it is on a large foam roller wrapped around, and then this is very easily, it can come off. It had bubble packaging. So, oh, nice. So this was the one that I thought I had ordered a while ago and instead had accidentally ordered 2 blue fairies. So this is from AlieExpress from the store DP Miss. Just make sure I get that in the trash. And it does have an inventory sheet. It's been a long time since I've had. Are you guys ready to see this? Dun, dun, dun. I am looking for better lighting and a better tripod area, but this is, I'm going to call it, I called it 4 Season Abstract Trees, and I love the concept of the 4 seasons, and I wanted something different than what everybody else was having. This is, here's my review sheet. Now I am going to do a review video that this will now start to be a standard link after this video, not in this one. In this video, you'll still have to email me at dpaddictionadventures with an S at gmail.com if you want a review sheet. It does take me about 2 to 3 days to answer back, depending on if it's the middle of the week or not. But I will email you a review sheet. In the next couple videos, I hope to have this actually as a Google Doc that you can click on. So, this is a 40 by 50 square, full coverage from AlieExpress. Like I said, the seller store name is DP Miss. That's D for diamond, P for painting, and Miss, like M-I-S-S. It originally was $18.14 on sale. AlieExpress always has some sort of 10 to 20% sale off the original. And then I had a $1 off coupon, so this cost me $17.14. It's a little bit more than I would spend, but this has been in my cart for literally 6 months. so I thought it was worth just finally buying it. I purchased it on March 16th. It shipped out March 20th, and I received it while I was out of town on April 1st. So that was 15 days. That is awesome. So let's see what we have here. I do have a 5-star rating system where I have 5 different things I rate an unboxing on. Everyone can get up to 1 star each, and then you get your 5-star rating. So let's dig in here. It is taped, but not super taped. So I've missed you guys since being on vacation. I would check in on the lives and everything, but I couldn't really post much because I didn't do any videos while on vacation. Alright, so it is cut right in the middle, the opaque covering. Now, that's pretty thick. I'm going to be keeping that one. And what I like to do is just roll it the other direction gently, just to kind of help it breathe. And then while it's breathing, we'll check on the drills. See, and then I just kind of do this so it has time to just breathe here. So they did give us how many colors, so let me write that in on the sheet. It's 35 colors. Yes, Zoe's making an appearance. And it is all symbols. This is similar to, let me get over here. Don't know how great you can see that, but it is the same symbol system as the unicorn I did for my niece. Alright, it is square like I said. And look at these gorgeous colors. Oh my goodness, so vibrant. So their packaging is, you know, the roughly 200 count. They do have black as the numbers on here, so it will be a little hard to see with the dark, but I'm not going to do this inventory in front of you. Well, let me go ahead and do it, and then I'll speed up the process so that you guys will know that it's done. So I'm going to stop talking and dive in. Well, okay, I'm glad I did it on camera with you. 3607, I was supposed to have 12 and I received 10. That was this pink color, and these are very easy to break. And I have a feeling because it was broken into 2 segments, they didn't count correctly. So I have 10, and I'm going to need to contact them, because if I spent that much money on these, then I definitely want them to send me the right drills. Now, something I might do is, you know, ask for a discount on a painting or something, so that they can send the drills with the painting. Sometimes you'll get it faster that way, and depending on if they have anything you like, sometimes you can then get a painting for a really good deal. That's just kind of a tip. It's only happened once to me that's happened, but it was good, you know, to get a painting for $3 or $4. and get my drills faster than 60 to 70 days. Sorry, but I love the crinkle. It's like Christmas. So for those of you who enjoy it, crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. But these colors are beautiful. So I'm very excited about that. So on the review sheet, drills would be quantity, packaging, number, readable. I'm actually going to give it a 0.5 because number one, the numbers aren't readable on the dark colors because it's black on black or black on navy. Number two, I was short 2 bags of, I think it was 3607. So shipping, I'm giving it a full star. And so yeah, oops, I'm on the wrong one. You see, seriously? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm going crazy today. All right, so drills 0.5, short 2 on DMC 3607. Shipping time 1 star. All right, so let's dive into this canvas. It is super curly. Super curly. The canvas itself is fraying a little bit at the top. You are going to get that with the cheaper canvas materials. I'm not too worried about that because I put them in my portfolio and glue them down or put washi tape around them. Let's do this side a little bit. I will say the glue comes out quite far on the top. Oh, guys, look at that. Oh my goodness. Dang, I wish my light was better. There's a huge pucker right there. Oh my goodness. Well, forget the first tip. I'm going to ask them to resend me this canvas. The thing about a pucker is if you cut it, there's not enough glue to, yeah, I know, I'm not putting this down super great. I'm just trying to get it flat, and because of how tight it was rolled, it's not working for me at all. So the puckers come from when it is not flat and they go to lay down the glue. Alright, so I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see. So you've got green right here. And then it goes into the pinks, and then it goes into the blues, and then it goes into the orange color right there. So I'm going to cover this bottom and show you a little bit more detail what I mean about a pucker. So, got the bottom. So the glue extends, I mean, it's a good finger length away. Definitely need some thick washi tape for that. You've got your key over here on the top right side. Goes all the way down, but it's actually in the glue. So if you do washi tape, thank goodness they sent us an inventory sheet, because you wouldn't be able to see that glue. So let's get this back on here. And then this is the pucker. So I'm trying to, right there, you can kind of see a little bit of shine when I move it. Now what happens is if you cut right down the middle and you pull it, your canvas is going to pull, but then you're going to have like a whole roll of drills without glue. So here's the pucker right here. And the difference between a pucker and a river is just the glue itself had bent, and so you can cut it and get the air bubble out. A pucker, they actually laid the glue down with the canvas bent. So I'm going to have to take pictures of that, send it in, and I'm feeling an air bubble here. But it's not in the glue, it's from when I laid this down. So I'm just sorry that wasn't the like most graceful unboxing for you guys. But yeah, I'm feeling some air bubbles. But I think it's just in the cover itself. So I'll undo this now a little bit more gracefully. And you can see here the trees. I think this is going to be beautiful. I just think they need to send me another one. So let's look at the details of the symbols. They are pretty clear. I don't think you can get much clearer. Get you up close. Sorry, I'm like 4 feet away from you. My arms are only 2 feet long. So that's the drill field. Those little squiggly lines are nothing. That's they're not rivers or anything. And then this other side. Right there, you can see over to your area where the river is, or the pucker, which is. But yeah, I think it's gonna be beautiful. I feel like this photo just doesn't want me, this painting doesn't want me to do it, because I'm short drills, I have a pucker, I ordered 2 of the same thing instead of this as a custom. Oh my goodness, I'm just besides myself. Alright, so then also I'm kind of going backwards. You got a single placer, a 3-placer, a green bow, and then because it's square they send you tweezers and a medium square of wax, as well as some baggies in there. So that is my beautiful 4-season abstract trees. I will have to get back to you on what they do. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's measure it. It's a 40 by 50. I can see through the paper. It's about 40, just under 40. It's like 48 and 48 and a half, maybe 48 and 3/4 by 39. Yeah, 39 and 1/4. So they do still pretty true to the pasting area, which is nice. But that is my 4-tree abstract. and I will give you an update as soon as I can on what happens with this. Until next time, see you later, everybody. Have a wonderful day and be blessed.